Hello students, I am Alka Verma, your social science teacher for 9th standard. Today I am going to introduce you the first unit of your social science textbook. So look it here student. The first unit is about 20th century, the world and India. Today I am going to explain you the topic rise of British rule in India. Now let us start. Since the ancient period, India has enjoyed an incomparable position in the whole world due to its economic, cultural, and religious inheritance. Due to the economic prosperity and cultural inheritance, people from different nations of the world came to India. There was a lot of demand for the Indian spices, muslin, silk cloth, indigo, etc. in the European countries. Trade between India and Europe was carried out through land route and sea route. And at the center of these routes was Istanbul, that is Constantinople in Turkey. After the conquest of Constantinople in 1453 AD by Turkish Muslims, the sea route through Constantinople, that is Istanbul, was closed for the Europeans. Since they could not do without the spices, the European felt need to discover a new sea route. So an era of geographical discoveries began. Now let me guide you short question answers based on this para. First question, which were the Indian goods very much in demand in the European countries? The answer is Indian spices, muslin, silk cloth and indigo were the Indian goods very much in demand in the European countries. Second one, which was the main center of trade between India and Europe? The answer is Istanbul, that is Constantinople in Turkey, was the main center of trade between India and Europe. Next one is India enjoyed incomparable position in the whole world from the ancient time. Why? Because India had rich economic, cultural and religious inheritance. Next one, why the trade route between Europe and India closed down? Because Istanbul was conquered by the Ottoman Turks Muslim in 1453. That's why the trade route between Europe and India closed down. Now the next topic is discovery of sea route to India. The Ottoman Turks, that is Muslim, conquered Constantinople, Istanbul, from the Christians in 1453. Therefore, it became necessary for the Europeans to find new sea routes to reach India. Portuguese King Prince Henry inspired, encouraged and helped economically, and because of him, some brave people began efforts to discover new sea route. Many great men tried to discover sea route to India, namely Bartholomew Dias, who discovered the Cape of Good Hope. With the help of the King of Spain, Christopher Columbus, began the adventure of discovering a new sea route, which again came to a stop at an island presently known as West Indies, situated in the Atlantic Ocean. Columbus, who had believed throughout his life that he had discovered a new sea route to India, had actually discovered a new land, since Amerigo Vespucci clarified the new land discovered by Columbus. This new land began to be known as America. The Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India in 1498 AD. When he reached Calicut in the western coast of India, he was welcomed by the King Zamorin and allowed to carry out business there. The discovery of new sea route to India regarded as an important event in the world history because it opened the door to India for the traders from the European nations. Now some short question answers based on this topic. Question 1. Who discovered the Cape of Good Hope? Answer is the Cape of Good Hope was discovered by Bartholomew Dias. Next question. Whose name is associated with the new territory discovered by Christopher Columbus as America? Answer is the name of Amerigo Vespucci is associated with the new territory discovered by Christopher Columbus as America. Next question. Who discovered new sea route to India and when? The answer is Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama discovered the new sea route to India in 1498. In my next video, I will explain you the further topics. Thank you.